celebrate 15 years of bringing stories to life, MyTV Cebu successfully hosted its first ever blood donation drive in collaboration with the Department of Health Region 7's Subnational Blood Center for Visayas. This initiative was a way for the network to give back to the community. The event took place on Wednesday, September 4 at the International Marketing Group or IMG Training Room in JY Square, Lahog.
Kining atong blood donation drive is one of the kick-off activities in celebration of MyTV Cebu's 15th anniversary. So for a decade and a half, MyTV Cebu has been bringing stories to life through our wide variety of programs, shows, and content, both on television and online. And we realized that it's time that we give back to the community, not just by bringing stories to life, but this time by helping save lives.
A total of 81 donors participated in this life-saving mission, including representatives from the Philippine National Police, National Police College, NAPOLCOM, Bureau of Fire Protection 7, Department of Interior and Local Government, Joint Task Group Cebu 3rd ID of the Philippine Army, IMG members, and walk-in volunteers. Participants expressed their fulfillment in contributing to the cause of saving lives.
I am happy and at the same time, okay naman po pagkatapos ng donation ko.
Actually, after kuha sa dugo, I-feel na ako happy good ko na makashare sa ako ang dugo sa mga taong nanginahanglan.
Public servants were also grateful for the opportunity to serve their community outside their regular duties.
Important siya ma'am kay namboy uban ko ma'am na nanginahanglan og dugo pero dili mangita sila sa uban pero nindot ning mo tabang punta kay para kung nay mahinanglan napunta ikatabang.
Salamat mi nga ang Philippine Army giimbita ninyo nga mag-donate pod og apil sa bloodletting. So sa lahat sa tanan sa katibukan sa Philippine Army siguro.
One of the donors, Jessica Estorhio from IMG, shared her joy at finally fulfilling her long-held desire to donate blood.
Dugay na gyud ko ganahan, no? Mura ba og dream nako nga maka-donate ko, maka-share ko sa ko ang dugo. Pero this is the right time niya. Happy kay ko kay nakapasar ko sa tanang screening unya ang isa ka bag. Dali ra kay nako siyang napuno, no? So murag daghan jud kay kog dugo nga ganahang i-share. So mana siya, dreams come true gyud para sa ako.
Dr. Liana Villa, Medical Officer 3 of the Subnational Blood Center for DOH Central Visayas, highlighted the benefits of blood donation for both donors and recipients.
So it depends on the needs of the patients. So now, we are in dire need of blood. So if you are asking what is the benefit for those who are donating, we have this, what we call change oil effect. Just like the body, just like a machine ng sasakyan. So it's the same thing for our body. We may accumulate toxins in our body. And one way to replenish and encourage new production of red blood cells, we donate blood.
Dr. Villa also addressed common misconceptions and myths about blood donation, encouraging more people to join this worthy cause.
So for common myths, usually those who are afraid to donate, they would say that they would feel tired after donating, no? Which is a common misconception. Although they may feel a bit tired, not exactly like fatigued man ang ilahang kung nga di na sila maka-work, you can still work. It's just that you have to replenish what you have lost.
Of the 81 donors, 44 blood bags were successfully collected. MyTV Cebu is proud to have contributed to this life-saving initiative.
So we would like to express our gratitude to our partners for helping us make this activity possible. Una sa tanan, daghan kayong salamat sa ato ang mga kauban sa Department of Health 7 or DOH 7. Kung wala sila, dili ni mahitabo kining maong ato ang kalihukan karong buntaga ug daghan sab kayong salamat sa ato ang mga blood donors, mga miyembro sa Philippine National Police, PRO7, CPPO, CCPO, NAPOLCOM, National Police College, Bureau of Fire Protection, na sa tayong mga donors gikan sa PIDEA, gikan sa mga government agencies like DILG, gikan sa barangay Apas, Barangay Lahug, ug sa tanan natong mga kauban nga nikuyog nato sa ato ang misyon nga mutabang ug muhatag sa ato ang dugo ngadto sa mga nanginahanglan. Daghan kayong salamat.
Thank you to our sponsors. This is Elaiza Penaranda for My TV, Cebu.